Hello, in this origami tutorial I will show you how to fold the lid of a modular box, shaped like a ninja star or shuriken. For the lid we need 4 squares of paper, 15 by 15 centimeters. I recommend using 2 colors, but also you can use 1 color or 4 colors. The paper must be thin and strong, because in some parts of the model many layers come together. To begin, we need some creases. First, fold in half from corner to corner, pinch at the top and in the center. Repeat in the other diagonal. Turn over. Fold as shown. Pinch at the top and in the lower part. Turn over. Fold the corner to the crease as shown and unfold. Repeat on the other side. Fold the corner. Fold as shown, then unfold all. Fold using the intersection as reference and unfold. Fold in half and unfold. Fold as shown. Swivel fold. Unfold. Fold and unfold. Fold as shown. Swivel fold. Unfold, then turn over. Fold and unfold. Fold and unfold using existing mountings as shown. We are going to use 3 lines to fold a new crease. Fold and unfold as shown. turn over. This is an optional fold. This is an optional fold. Collapse in 3D as shown. Fold a rabbit ear. Swivel fold. Fold the whole edge inside the model. Mountain fold across all layers as shown. Fold and unfold using the pinch from step 2. Repeat on the remaining 3 pieces. To join the pieces, we insert one module into the next. Mountain fold to lock the model. And we finished. You can see the diagram and some of the crease patterns on my blog. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching.